Yeah, okay, in my last video, or previous video, I should say, I was talking about my everyday carry. In other words, just what I have on me at all times. I haven't gone into, my battery gonna die? I haven't gone into my everyday carry bag or anything like that, so we can get into that later. But I was talking about not having a container, which doesn't make any difference if I'm in my car. If I got my stuff in my car, I got my bag. But say I'm separated from my get home bag or my everyday carry bag, and I just have the stuff in my pockets. I need to fabricate a container, a way to cook or something. So there's just, you can just go through the garbage and find stuff. For instance, a beer can or a pop can or a soda can. You get them in all kinds of different sizes. I was gonna show you with my my Gerber, my suspension, but it doesn't have a file in it. Of all the damn things to not have, your multi-tool doesn't have a file in it. I have one here though. So let me just reset this so we can get a good look at what's going on here. Okay, so you just take this can, pop the top off of it, which is a simple matter. You just, to show you on this one, you just pop that off. You don't need that. That actually piece can be used as an improvised fish hook. But then you just file around the top of the can. And what you're ending up doing is you're removing the material on the top of this cap that they've rolled the edge with the canning machine. You just keep going along, twist it a little bit every once in a while. Keep sanding. You'll feel it catch. When you feel it catch, you're almost done. This is just a double cut bastard. Nicholson. Find them anywhere. I usually have a small version. See it caught there. Now you see how it's just starting to come apart? You just keep going, but pay attention. Go a little easier. It's catching more and more. When it catches, skip that area. And at some point, carefully pop the top off. Adios. Now, the edge is a little bit rough, so I like to dress it up a little bit. So what we got there, that's feeling pretty good. Still a little sharp in there, so we can come around it like this. That's not bad, and one more time. And there you have it. One drinking cup out of a can. Turns out pretty good. They work well. So now you know what my plan is for a container to carry water or drink water in an everyday get home situation where I don't have my get home bag, my bug out bag, or my everyday carry, and I don't have my car. That's all one big kit, by the way. So there you have it. You can always find a can and make something useful. Thanks for watching. Got any suggestions, other suggestions you could give me, or your thoughts on this, just leave a comment below and I'll check them out. Once again, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you later. Have a good one. Bye.